Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the download destination in Google Chrome. By default, Chrome saves downloaded files to the Downloads folder. However, you can easily customize the download location to a folder of your choice. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change the download destination in Chrome. Let's get started. Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change the download destination in Google Chrome. Follow these steps to customize where your downloaded files are saved. Step 1. Launch Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is open and ready for customization. Step 2. Head to the Settings menu by clicking on the box located in the top right corner of the browser. This box has 3 lines inside it. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Downloads option. This will take you to the Chrome download settings. Step 4. Look for the Change button next to the default download location. Click on it to modify the download destination. Step 5. A window will appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. Browse through the folders until you find the desired location where you want your downloads to be saved. Once you've found it, click OK to set it as the new default download destination. And that's it. You have successfully changed the download destination in Google Chrome. Now, any files you download will be saved to the new location you specified. Congratulations on customizing the download destination in Google Chrome. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your downloaded files are saved to a folder of your choice. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Enjoy your personalized download experience in Chrome, and we'll see you in the next video.